Hello guys and girls, it's Stuart Mackay here again. Just want to share with you a new development on the RF module side for using 2.4 gigahertz systems. This is from a company in China called Lemon RX, and they have developed a superb new module which they call DSMP. But the great thing about it is that it's compatible with the Spectrum DSM2 and DSMX systems. So it really does open up a lot of additional uses in converting old transmitters from the 80s, 90s, or transmitters that were on 35 megahertz. You can now start using them with the latest 2.4 gigahertz technology. So you don't need to throw away your old favourite transmitters from days gone by. You can actually, rather than sitting on the shelf getting dusty, you can start using them again. So this is the little module. It's really tiny. If you can see my finger here, it's really what's about an inch by an inch. So losing that inside an old transmitter, finding a place for it is going to be really easy. It comes with the 2.4 gigahertz antenna extension here, then of course the traditional 2.4 gigahertz external antenna. There's a little bit of soldering required. You would need to add wires to feed positive and negative voltage to it, and also a ppm signal. It also comes with a little 3-pin standard servo plug type of solder-in connector, so you could just get away with putting a traditional servo plug into it, rather than this type of thing, rather than actually soldering onto the board. The other thing you need to do is just wire in a little bind button, which again, that's easy to do. So just a little micro switch, little push button micro switch, and it's good to go. Here's one that I've already been using. I've just finished converting. It's a vintage Pro line from America. I'll just zoom out of it so you can see all of it. And this has got the Lemon receiver 2.4 module installed inside with one of our encoders that we use. It's all tucked away in there. If I just turn it on, you might be able to see the little red light on that's where the encoder is, tucked away down inside there. So let me just turn that on. You should be able to see the little red light come on. Okay, that's the little red light in there is the encoder. Okay, so that's radiating a very healthy signal. I've got a little RF meter here which I can show you. This one here, which is, so that should light up now, which you can see. As I move it away, the signal will diminish. But that's as good as anything I've been getting with any other 2.4 gigahertz system from other manufacturers like Free Sky, like the Spectrum original stuff, like Jetty. So the strip signal strength is really good on this. So yes, it all here it is working. So I'll just show you you can see the speed of it. I'll just zoom out again so you can actually see the servos working. And so there we go there. So the speed of operation, that's just on 4 cells this one is, so it's not particularly quick. Okay. Right, there's that one done. So yeah, all in all, highly recommended. Very easy to wire in. And close up there of it. You can see it. And if you, in the link below, I'll put a link to the eBay site which is selling them. You can get them in the UK now. And yeah, have a go at getting one of those transmitters out of your off of your shelf and get it to use again. Now, an easier way of doing it, rather than having to wire things in, is utilising this module here, again from Lemon RX. That's a, you can see there, that's a JR standard type of module. I've modified it slightly just to fit the transmitter. that I'll show you it operation now. So here it is here. This is a fantastic old transmitter from the mid 1980s, JR Apex computer radio, which was the very first computerized radio on the market, and still an excellent radio today. It's got as many features on as a lot of modern sets have. So let me just plug it in. I'll show you how quick and easy to do. You can see there's the module bay here at the back, and it's as easy as this. Plug it in, click it in, there it is in place, and fire it up, and you should see the level meter jump up as it starts radiating. Let me show you this connected to yet another very interesting development that Lemon RX are doing. This is a little 6-channel receiver. This tiny receiver here is a full range 6-channel receiver. Can you see that, how small that is? It's tiny. And you've also got the ability to put an extra satellite receiver on if you need to. Now I'm going to run this on, it's not a park flyer one, this is a full range, full fat receiver, this little fella is. You can have it either with top pins as we've got here, and I've just it's so small I just put in some heat shrink just to stop any damage occurring. And we've got a 18650 2-cell pack, two-cell lithium ion, so that should all be bound. Now let me just see if that works okay. And yep, there we go, bound up straight, well, switched on straight away. And you'll see these servos. These are 10 kilo digital titanium gear Savox servos, so they're going into a big 3rd scale extra, so you should be able to see the speed that these are operating at, which are very fast. Yeah, so that servo is moving at the same speed as I'm moving that stick. So yeah, another fantastic development from Lemon RX in China. These are all CE marked. They've got the FCC rating, so they can be safely used in any of the usual territories around the world. Again, look below, you'll see there's an eBay link on where you can get these in the UK. And yeah, really pleased with them. They make really does make all this retro transmitter reuse so easy. The other thing with the DIY one, with the do-it-yourself module, which I showed you here, this one, the little this one here, there are instructions on how you can use it in other manufacturers' transmitters, such as from Futaba and High-Tech, because normally you can get PPM signal off of the trainer port, the buddy box port, so that's a possibility there. So yeah, very easy to install, gives fantastic results, and there we go, another transmitter saved from landfill. So have a look down below if you want, try out one of these items. They're not expensive, they're under £30, these RF modules, and putting a new battery in your old transmitter, and then you've got something which will last you another 20, 30, 40 years or however long. So yeah, if you like it, don't forget to hit the like button. Have a look down below on the eBay link, and thanks for watching.